In this video, I'll show you how to check internet speed in PC, that is on your laptop and your desktop. So if you're using any of the both, this works, right? So I'm going to walk you through all you need to know basically. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I'm currently on my laptop. I'm going to walk you through what you need to know. Head over to your browser, right? So this is our Chrome browser. I'll just type in test internet speed, right? So once you click on it, if you're using your desktop, if you're using your laptop, this would work out for you, right? So this is it from Google, right? So click on this run speed test, and right here you're gonna just sit and carefully wait and see how your internet speed is gonna go, right? So our megabits per second is 1.8 or 1.9, right? So this is basically testing the download, right? It's testing the download right here, so you can see that. So let us test the upload, right? The upload is, I think, kind of slow or something, right? So this is the upload. The upload is not really that stable. It's 0 point something, I think 0 0.3. So yeah, this is basically how you can test your internet speed. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all very next